Hello guys, it's day 8. How is my consistency was going? Let's see. Morning I drink some tea and I ate one red banana. Morning breakfast is coriander chutney and rice. Then I washed my bag because it's very dirty. Then I am ready to went to one college. We are invited me to speak some basic laboratory points for UG students. The department name is CLT, Clinical Laboratory Technology. I ate some papaya before attend this class because I am very hungry. I am not an excellent speaker because I am an introvert, but today my performance was really good. I am not expert this, but today the day was going very smoothly. Evening, me and my sisters went to shop. We ordered juice and sandwich, but the sandwich looks like burger. Okay. When I reached home, I ate some peanut chickpeas and dates. Night dinner is spinach. Then I ate some paniyaram. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.